Hey guys, today I'm doing a video of my recently acquired Tatung 9-inch oscillating fan. I believe this is from the late 1970s or early 80s, somewhere around there. This is a major childhood fan of mine. This used to belong to my grandparents, and this was the fan they used in their RV and previous camper trailers. And they recently sold their RV, and my grandpa was nice enough to let me have this since he knew I liked it, so very happy to get this. And it's in very good condition, as you can see. Really, the cage isn't rusty. You can see the blue plastic blades are in really good shape too. Those are really cool. I always like those on these 70s and 80s fans. And then the base is in really good shape too. I know it looks kind of yellow because of that light. Here, let me just turn it off. Okay, there, you can see it better now. It's very white. You know, it's not usually the plastic's kind of yellowed from these from being in the sun or under fluorescent lights, but not yellow at all, still white. So, and you can see the panel here too in good shape. Tatung, and then the push button controls. It's 2-speed, as you can see. And then here's the chrome faceplate as well, also in good shape. I wiped it off, so it's really shiny now. You can see the Tatung logo. And it's a 9-inch fan. I don't know if I mentioned. So I'll go ahead and show you the side as well. You can see all the plastic's very white, like I said. There's the oscillator there. And back, a vent on the back there. Oh, I'll go ahead and show you the underneath the base as well. I don't know how well you can see that, but it says electric fan, model LE-9WKP, and AC 120 volts, 60 hertz, 0.7 amps, and made in Taiwan. Okay. And I'll go ahead and show it running. It's, like I said, 2-speed oscillating, and I believe the oscillator's off, so we'll go with low speed. Yeah, really smooth running fan. Pretty quiet and good air movement from it. Okay. And I'll switch it to high speed here. Speed 2. I'll go ahead and put the oscillator on. Nice smooth oscillation like that. And back to low speed. Yeah, this fan runs really nicely. Very smooth runner. Okay. And I'll turn it off so you can see the spin down time. Yeah, pretty good spin down time. I also cleaned and oiled this fan as well. That didn't really need to be cleaned, but I still do just in case. It was very clean when I got it. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and there'll be more videos to come. Bye bye.